Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to prepare recycled soap. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to like, comment and share. For this recipe, I'm going to use pellets of soap, the ones that after you've used, they remain behind. They are always small pieces, and I'm going to use also my grater, the one that you use for food to grate maybe carrots or onions or tomatoes. That's what I'm going to use to grate the pellets into those kinds of pieces. You can see how fine they are. After that, I'm going to transfer them in a container and set aside for preparation. And with this, you'll be able to save a lot of money. So I'm going to add a cup of water in a cooking pot, then I'll let it boil. Just the same way when you are preparing porridge, you make your water come to boil. After that, you add your flour for porridge. But here I'm going to add the grated pellets. And by the way, I've added 1 cup of water in 3/4 cup of pellets. It is not a full cup, it is 3/4. So you can use that ratio if you want to make your homemade recycled soap. You can see the water has started boiling. After that, I'm going to add the pellets. Then I'll stir and stir and stir until it thickens like porridge. and you can see the bubbles are coming out, an indication that our soap is mixing well. And also I want to remind you, if you want any color, you can add at this particular time. You can add any color of your choice, orange, pink, blue, any, whichever your color you'd want your soap to have, you can add, and then as you continue mixing, it will mix nicely. And if your liquid wants to pour, whether you are boiling milk or tea and it wants to overflow, you can use this trick. You put your cooking stick on top of the sufuria or the cooking pot, just across, and then it will prevent the liquid from overflowing. Yeah, so I'll continue mixing and mixing and mixing. And if you like throwing your pellets, you can see you can make use of them. You just store them until they're enough, and then you make your recycled soap. It will serve you for the next 1 or 2 weeks. You can use to wash your clothes or wash your utensils with it, and then you'll thank me later. So let it cook a bit. It's ready. I'm going to transfer it in a container, but before that I'm going to apply the cooking oil in the container so that when I transfer the liquid, it's not going to stick. When it cools, it's going to come out naturally. And after transferring it into that container, I'm going to ensure that it stays on the sun for about a day. It will have hardened well and it will be ready for use. There it is, as you can see. I'll remove it. That's the way you do it, and it can take any shape depending with the container that you are going to transfer the liquid. It's going to take any shape, whether rectangular, circular, square, whichever. You can see how lovely it looks. So after that, I'm going to try it out. There's my soap with the clothing or cloth. I'm going to apply the soap on the cloth, and then you can see It has enough leather. Yeah, the soap is so good. Here it is. You should try out this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.